Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Had a neighbor take down some trees and they put the wood aside for me. I don't know if you can see too well, I know it's dark, but got an opportunity to pick up some oak, some maple, etc. Maybe that's a better view. Got quite a bit here to get rid of. So I got the MS 180C. I'm just gonna shut it down. I'm warming it up, but it's warmed up, ready to go. So I'm just gonna start attacking this and just bucking it up, getting it out of here. I think my light's dead, yeah. But I think what I'm doing is just put all this stuff in the truck and do one more round. Alright, let me see where the next spot is to cut from. So I gotta be careful cutting that little one on the bottom. So that's gonna roll. This is connected, so I can't do that one. I could cut a piece off of that. I really need the 661 to cut that. I could cut these, I could cut this one. What's up front? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna cut from over here. This looks like a safer spot. Look, that looks like a safer spot. All right, here's the other light. I don't know what you're gonna do with this one. I'm gonna run and take some of this stuff off, the easy stuff. careful. See that? is this one pinched? I knew it was going to. It's resting on the other stuff. Yeah, see how it's resting on it? I didn't like that. Okay. Can't tell, and I don't want to cut that just yet because that's all gonna fall the moment I cut it. Nope. Although that might have helped. won't come off. I don't know what I'm missing. I can't get it. Release. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oops, lost my camera. Alright, that's just how this stuff looks. Can you swing the light over here so I can see? Okay. Want to call it quits? We can call it quits. Quits? Or you want to keep going? I wonder if that's it. I can hear that I can hear that helicopter over the saw. Jeez. Okay, it's gonna take 5 minutes to load this up. That's not a full load. At least we're not going that far. I don't think I'll get the tailgate up. All right, guys, that's it. You know, we cut up quite a bit. Got about a half a truckload. It's you know, getting late. It's dark out, and I'm down to the big rounds, the big stuff. All right, guys, we're back. We just arrived home. We're dumping out the wood that we just bucked from a neighbor's house. Starting to prep it for the next pickup tomorrow. I know it's super late. It's dark out. It's cold. But it's got a little weight to it. I'm sure you heard that sound. Alright guys, that's all the wood that was in the truck. A little bit out of breath. It's a good workout. You know, it brings back to the purpose of the channel. Hard work feels good. But stay tuned. You'll see I'll be splitting all this. That's to come. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks. Don't forget to like, follow, comment. Anything you think, any questions you have, feel free to comment. Alright guys, hang in there.